Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Millionaire Calculator and how dividends can help build long-term wealth step by step. First, you need to set your dividend income goal. This means deciding how much passive income you want to receive from dividends every month or every year. For example, if your monthly dividend income goal is $5,000, then your annual dividend income goal becomes $60,000. Next, you need to choose an average dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much income your portfolio pays each year compared to the amount invested. A conservative yield may be around 2 to 3%, a balanced yield may be around 4 to 5%, and a high yield may be around 6 to 8%. However, higher yield can also mean higher risk, so investors should not focus only on big percentages. After that, you can calculate the required portfolio size. The simple formula is required portfolio equals annual dividend income goal divided by dividend yield. For example, if you want $60,000 per year and your dividend yield is 3%, you may need a portfolio of $2 million. On the other hand, with a 4% yield, you may need $1.5 million, whereas with a 5% yield, you may need $1.2 million. Then, regular contributions can help you reach your target faster. For example, starting with $10,000, adding $1,000 every month, earning an average annual return of 8%, and receiving a 4% dividend yield can create powerful long-term growth. In addition, dividend growth can increase your future income over time. Moreover, reinvesting dividends through DRIP can make the compounding effect stronger. When dividends are reinvested, they buy more shares. Those extra shares can produce more dividends, and then those dividends can again buy even more shares. This cycle can slowly turn small income into larger wealth over many years. Furthermore, long-term projection is important because dividend wealth usually grows slowly at first and then faster later. In the example shown, the portfolio starts at $10,000, grows to about $203,000 by year 10, reaches around $661,000 by year 20, and may grow to about $1.59 million by year 30. Finally, the key lesson is that your income goal determines your target portfolio, dividend yield changes how much capital you need, consistent contributions speed up growth, and reinvested dividends compound wealth over time. With patience, discipline, and long-term planning, dividends can become a powerful tool for building financial freedom. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.